Hi, I'm Trina Belsick and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the basics of a ketogenic diet. If you're just getting started with the keto diet, you're probably asking yourself, what exactly is a keto diet? How does it work and how do I get started? What do I need to do? Well, keep listening and find out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, low carbohydrate diet that forces the body to burn fat rather than carbs and sugar. This places the body into a metabolic state called ketosis. That's when the liver is producing ketones, and ketones become the main source of energy rather than carbs and sugar. Ketones are actually a more stable and steady source of energy for the body rather than burning glucose from carbs and sugar. So as you start to produce optimal level of ketones, you'll start to see noticeable benefits such as mental clarity, increased energy, and even weight loss. And weight loss is usually the main reason why a lot of individuals start a ketogenic lifestyle. So the ketogenic lifestyle is actually more than just a diet. It's a sustainable lifestyle that's actually changed my life. Most of my adult life, I have struggled with weight gain, mood swings, lack of energy, depression, and I can contribute that all to my diet. Over the years, I've tried multiple different programs. I tried Weight Watchers, Nutrisystem, Slim Fast, Counting Calories, and although I've had success with all of those programs, nothing really lasted, nothing was sustainable. I always felt hungry. I didn't feel satisfied in what I was eating. I felt like I was being deprived of something. But on a keto diet, I don't feel any of that at all. The ketogenic diet changed all of that. My energy level was through the roof. I find myself waking up before the alarm even goes up now, and I just usually get out of bed and exercise for like 30 minutes. If I don't feel like doing the elliptical, I'll go outside and walk for a little bit. And I can do all that before I even have to start to get ready for work. It's amazing at how great I actually feel. People at work comment about how my personality has changed. What am I doing differently? Why am I so bubbly? I feel happy. I feel great. I feel good in my skin again. I feel like me. And if increased energy and an elevated mood isn't good enough, let's talk about the 35 plus pounds I've lost already. And that's just in the last 5 months. Probably have about 20 more to go, but hey, with this ketogenic lifestyle, I know that I can do it. And with a ketogenic lifestyle and my guidance, so can you. When you're just starting out, I recommend that you download a food counter or food tracker, like MyFitnessPal or Carb Manager. From there, you want to enter in all the foods that you eat for the day. And if you're running late or you're short on time, take a picture of your food and enter it in later throughout the day. You don't have to do it right away, right when you're doing it, but make sure you take a picture and hold yourself accountable. Now, for a keto diet, the keto diet consists of 70 to 75% fats, 20 to 25% proteins, and 5% carbs. But when you're first starting out, I recommend that you only track your net carbs, and you want to keep your net carbs below 20. So what exactly is a net carb? A net carb is the total number of carbs minus fibers and alcohol sugars. If you look at the nutritional label on this keto bar, there are 13 total carbs, and then you have 6 fibers and 4 erythritol. Erythritol is a sugar alcohol, so 4 sugar alcohols. So that is 10 of the carbs that are sugar alcohol or fiber related. And we are going to subtract that from the total number of carbs. So that's going to give us a total of 3 net carbs. So this candy bar, this bar, is a total of 3 net carbs. So that's what we would track into our Carb Manager or our MyFitnessPal. After you started tracking for about a week or two and you're getting comfortable with carbs and what's eating and what's working for you, I recommend start tracking your macros. So your macros or your macronutrients are the proteins, the fats, and carbohydrates I mentioned just a few moments ago. And you can also check out my video that goes into more detail on macronutrients and the keto grocery list, and I'll link that down below as well. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you don't miss out on any new keto topics.